Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Avis car rental review. How does it work and some secrets here. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, Avis is one of the oldest and most established premium names in the car rental world, operating primarily out of major airport hubs across the globe. Now, they tailor their entire experience around convenience and speed, making them a massive go-to for corporate business travelers. Now, the way the platform works is quite straightforward. You go online or use the Avis app to reserve a vehicle. Now, selecting from standard compact cars to luxury sports cars and heavy duty SUVs. Now, unlike budget rental companies, Avis is heavily built around a pay now versus pay later pricing strategy. Now, if you choose to pay upfront at the time of booking, they give you a substantial discount on the rate. However, you have to lock in that exact itinerary because their official 2026 cancellation policy enforces $50 fees if you cancel more than 24 hours in advance, and a hefty $150 fee if you cancel within the 24-hour window. So when you are looking at the big advantages here, the absolute best part about Avis is the digital app integration. So if you sign up for their free Avis preferred loyalty program, you get to completely skip the dreaded hour-long main counter line at the airport. You walk right past the desk, check the app to see exactly which parking space your car is sitting in, grab the keys and drive right through the exit gate. Now, people who actually use the app or the platform here also love that the app lets you visually swap your assigned car for a different model on the lot in real time before you ever unlock the doors. Now, though, on the flip side here, there are some complaints. Now, it's not going to be a perfect platform. Every app, every platform has their own downsides. Now, in this case, some reviews here, and in this case, some experiences here have some major operational cons. Now, a massive point of friction for renters here is the strict enforcement of hidden no-show rules. Now, if your flight is severely delayed or you arrive late without modifying your pickup time, the local desk will occasionally mark you as a no-show and reallocate your car, leaving you completely stranded. And reviewers also warn that the customer service response times can be highly frustrating if you need to resolve unexpected post-rental charges or changes for fuel or tolls. So yeah. So if you want to maximize your experience here, there are a couple of powerful insider secrets here that you may want to use. So first is you should never pay for their daily supplemental roadside assistance or loss damage waivers at the counter, which can easily add $20 a day to your bill. Now instead, book the rental using a premium credit card that includes primary rental car insurance for free. And also, second is always stack an AWD code, which stands for Avis Worldwide Discount, which with a standard promotional coupon at checkout. So Avis officially allows you to combine one corporate or membership discount code with one standard dollar off coupon on a single reservation, so giving you the absolute lowest rate possible. Now in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.